From Fox 5 News, this is Good Day New York.
All right, somehow or another, we're going to make it a good day, New York. All right, let's talk a little entertainment. Ryan Christopher, what do you have up your sleeve?
Hey, well, I got a lot up here because I know it's one of your favorite places, the 6th borough. We're talking about Miami and Mr. 305 himself, Pitbull. They are joining forces to help keep spirits high during the coronavirus pandemic. I believe that we will win. So there it is, the light show on the Paramount Miami Worldcenter is a nightly event that you can watch. It's all synchronized to Pitbull's new song, I Believe That We Will Win, which is already a sports chant, which you might already know about if you have kids that play sports. Now it's a global anthem and calling for unity amid the crisis. The red, white, and blue displays lights up every single night at 10 o'clock when Miami's curfew goes into effect. Now, Miami and other parts of South Florida are currently under a stay-at-home order, and Florida's governor said he would extend the order to the entire state if it's recommended by the White House.
Desde los estudios de Telemundo 51, Acceso Total.
Y allí acaban de escuchar lo nuevo de Pitbull, que iluminó el cielo de Miami con la letra de su canción I Believe That We Will Win. Todo un himno mundial durante esta pandemia. El reggaetonero cubanoamericano se unió a los conciertos virtuales de iHeartRadio para rendir homenaje a los trabajadores de la salud. Estos conciertos se van a realizar cada noche.
From San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 5.
Miami rapper Pitbull comes out with a new song to lift spirits during the pandemic.
Let's light up the Miami sky. Dale.
You know what spreads faster than any virus? It's fear. And when it comes to fear, you can either forget everything and run. I said, or you can face everything and rise. I believe. And let me tell you what I believe. I believe that. I believe we're going to face everything. I believe that we will win. I said, I believe that we will say. I believe that we will say. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say.
Well, I bet you're up now. It's called I Believe That We Will Win. One of Miami's buildings is also lighting up each in red, white, and blue during the city's curfew. Miami's mayor has also been cleared after beating the virus. He spent 18 days in quarantine.
The Local 10 News First Cast.
We have been getting some great video messages from you, our Local 10 viewers, and Pitbull going big with his. Yeah, check this out. All week long, the Paramount Center in Miami, the Worldcenter, will be lit up at 10 p.m. synced to Pitbull's new anthem, I Believe That We Will Win. And here at Local 10, we want to give a special shout out to all our medical professionals and first responders out there serving our community.
All right, check it out at 7:48. This dazzling light show on the Paramount Miami Worldcenter is a nightly event. The lights are synchronized to Pitbull's new song, I Believe That We Will Win. It's a global anthem calling for unity amid the COVID-19 crisis. Pitbull joined with the city's mayor on the project to help keep spirits high. Miami's mayor beat the virus and then came out of quarantine a few days ago.